the sweet thigh, hurroo, hurroo. And on the road, the sweet thigh, hurroo, hurroo. And on the road, the sweet thigh, a stick in the hand, a drop in the eye, a doleful damsel I did cry. Johnny Hallelujah.
Got the rap patrol on the Gap patrol. Foes that want to make sure my cast is closed. Rap critics that say he's money cash holes. I'm from the hood, stupid, what type of facts are those? If you grew up with hoes in your zap toes, you celebrate the minute you was having dope. I'm like, fuck critics, you can kiss my whole asshole. If you don't like my lyrics, you can press fast forward. Got beef with radio if I don't play their show. They don't play my hits, so I don't give a shit. So, rap mags try and use my black ass so advertisers could give them more cash for ads. Fuckers.